Ready.
Alright guys, I have a Volkswagen Jetta 2000 5-speed. I let my car sit up for a while, like months and months and months. Finally got my tire on, and then I went and charged up the battery. Said good battery, okay? A good diagnosis. So I put the battery in and drive it around the corner in the block, and it cuts off on me. So whenever I try to start it up, this is what goes on. What does that mean? Do it mean I have a bad starter, a bad alternator? I know the battery's good. Does it mean the connection is bad? You know what I'm saying? Just listen to it one more time. So on the dashboard. On the dashboard. Please guys, if you have any help with this, please send me an email or just comment down on this video.